Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. It is Knit Crate time. So this is the July Knit Crate box. The theme was circus, and let's open it together. Before I do though, the sweater that I am wearing is a bamboo cotton blend. This is one that I've shown before, but I am currently making a orange version that has beads in the front that is made with the same yarn, just a different color. And I've also made this in a teal blue color with some beads at the collar. So just since I was wearing it, I thought I would point it out since it isn't always shown on the video on the Saturday videos. So let's get started with opening up the box. As always, I'm letting you guys see it first. So now my turn to look. Oh, I got the kind of a seafoam color. Okay. I thought I had changed my order so that I got the blue, because I knew there was 4 different colors that you could get. It was a circus theme. One was this red color, which I also liked, and one was this deep blue, which is the one I was actually thought I had ordered, because they do allow you to change your order around a little bit now so that you can order based on your color preference. So it was 3 different colors. These were your choices. And so this is the one that I got, which is very pretty. It's a heavier yarn. Let's see, what do they consider it? It's very soft. Worsted weight. They say it's a worsted weight, but to me it seems like a heavy worsted weight. It's not a bulky, but it does feel heavier, but it is extremely soft. It is called, this is their Knitology Glowing Worsted, and it does have a sheen to it, as you can see, and it is called, the colorway is called Flying Trapeze. It's 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, 30% alpaca. That's why it's so soft. It's a merino silk alpaca. 150 yards per skein, and I have 2 skeins, so there's 300 yards total, or it's 137 meters per skein. It's 100 grams. The recommended needle size is an US 8 to 10 if you were knitting. So I'm imagining if you were crocheting, it's going to be 5 to 6 millimeter needle. I'm thinking 6 to, personally, I would say a 6 or above for this, because like I said, it says it's worsted, but it's a fluffy yarn. It has a lot of fluff to it. So when you squish it down in your fingers, it doesn't feel as thick as it looks to sight. Yes, I like it. It's very pretty. They also sent a little stitch marker from Mermaid City Yarns, and it's a little progress keeper. It has an elephant with like a turquoise colored bead on it. So there's that. If you hear noise in the background, my dog always decides to drink out of her bowl when I'm filming. I don't know why. It's Pavlov's dogs. Some dogs go and run to the water bowl when they hear food or whatever. No, my dog runs to the water bowl when I'm filming. So, yeah. So let's see what the patterns look like for this month. It says, a tiny elephant greets each membership crate subscriber, and he's ready to mind the starts of your rounds and rows with a handy lobster clasp that works well with knitting or crochet. So this is what the sock yarn boxes look like for this month. The sock yarn box is $19.99 a box, and you get one skein of yarn and a sock knitting pattern. The membership box, which is what I get, is $24.99, and it includes 2 skeins of yarn, a crochet pattern for that yarn, or a knitting pattern for that yarn. It has one of each, as well as the sock pattern as well. So you get more for the money with the membership box. So they are showing the knit pattern are hand warmers with this, and they've made it with the blue yarn. And the crochet, I like the crochet better. The crochet is a cowl. And I would definitely use the crochet or the cowl over the hand warmers, because personally, this is so soft. You put this on your hands, it would feel wonderful on your hands, but I can just see it fuzzing up really easy with having something where it's going to get a lot of irritation around your hands. So it's too soft. It needs to go around your neck instead. So yeah, I like the cowl pattern better. Let's see what the sock pattern looked like that they were going to send. And this is the sock pattern. Really like that. That's cute. It has like little diamond shapes in it. And the sock pattern is called Vargas Socks by Renate Ham. And the 2 other patterns, the knit pattern is called Ringleader, and that's by Hannah Thyssen. And the cowl is called Risley by Kate Cleary. So they gave us a second pattern this time for the socks, which is unusual. Usually it is one pattern, and it is a knit pattern for socks. These are crochet, and I really like them. It's called After Show Slippers by Demetra Bogri. Look at those. So with the Knit Crate membership box, because they give you sock patterns, you don't get the sock yarn. But if you already have sock yarn, and I do, yeah, I like those, because that's the type of slipper socks I wear around the house all the time. In fact, they're on my feet right now. I will definitely be making those. And next month's theme is called Take Wings, so it's going to be bird related. And it says join the next round. So here is their color palette. You can see it's all the little birds. And you can choose, this is fairly new with Knit Crate, you can go over and choose whether you want warm tones, cool tones, neutral tones, or if you want to let them pick and be surprised. So, and part of the fun is kind of not knowing what you're going to get. So this, like I said, is I would say sea glass green, and I believe it was it Cindy Hart's Crochet, one of my other subscribers, also got this same color and posted it, and she described it as like sea glass or sea foam green. I would definitely say sea glass. It looks like sea glass green, but it is extremely soft. So yeah, that feels so nice. I could cuddle up and take a nap with it. Yeah, anyway, that is this month's Knit Crate. So if you are interested in Knit Crate and would like to try them out but get a 20% discount off of the very first order, you can do so if you use the coupon code KCreations20. So thanks again for watching, and make sure you stay tuned on Saturday for my regular podcast. If you're interested in Knit Crate, the link is right down below. You can click it. It'll take you over to their site. Thanks so much.